Man, look, Shabbat Shalom. First thing I want to do is give all praises to the Most High, to the Creator. First thing. Second thing, Kwame Brown, you a funny motherfucker, bro. And I love you. You hear me? You know, I'm an OG, man. So I've been around, bro, and I've experienced racism at its finest. I worked at Baltimore Gas and Electric as an overhead lineman and a gas mechanic for 10 years. And that shit was holy fucking hell, bro. I do not work there anymore as a result of racism. Make sure I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah. So I do not work there anymore as a result of racism. So understand, I get it. And my whole life I've been watching these dumbass rappers drag us to hell. I've been watching all of these goofy ass elites lead us to hell. Our youth is so fucked up that if a civil war started right now, we have no frontline soldiers. You heard me. So understand, man. Overstand. Kwame Brown, I love you, bro. I appreciate you bringing awareness to the public and letting other people know that don't know, that haven't experienced it. Now they know about all of the goofy shit. The black secret societies, the Bilderbergs, you know what I mean? All these Masons and fucking us up, and them and the white Masons using the black Masons to carry on their uh their subduing us and keeping us in perpetual slavery. Dumb diverses. 1452. So overstand, man. I'm on my walk. In the morning I like to walk. That's what I do. I like to walk, clear my head before I start business for the day. But yeah, man, Kwame Brown, I love you, bro. I appreciate you bringing on awareness and letting our people know what's going on, what's important. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing more important than us getting this land and property. You hear me? Kwame, I love you, bro. All right, so I'm out of here. Red Eagle.